How's it going, everybody? This is Father Time NC. I'm out here at the shooting range. I got my Ruger 10-22. I done sighted it in. I've done put a couple hundred rounds to it. I've been using this 25 round Ruger BX 25. I've shot, like I said, a couple hundred rounds already through it, and I've not had one issue out of it. It's working pretty good. The stock on it's a little short, I can tell, for me. I'm eventually going to switch this stock out and put me a bull burr on it. It's pretty accurate. I think it'd be a lot more accurate with a bipod. It's not bad at all. I like how it shoots. Of course, I put some Kid Innovations things on it. Inside of it, I put a new bolt handle. Put a new firing pin, new rod and spring in it, and also the bolt pin back here. Gotta have one in there. We're going to shoot a little bit more, then that'll be it for the 10-22 for today. Try to get comfortable here. And that's empty. Been running without a flaw. Alright guys, it's been Father Time NC. I thought I'd update you. It's actually the first time I got to go out, come out and shoot it. I've been working, like I said in my other video, I've been working 7 days a week, so I ain't had a lot of time to really do anything too much. So it's starting to warm up. Thought I'd come. Alright, until next time, this has been Father Time NC Production.